Hello friends, welcome to exam preparation. Today we're gonna do some fast math tricks for multiplying the numbers under 20 or the numbers between 11 to 19. Okay, so most of you know the values in the multiplication table by heartly. If you don't know, don't worry about that. So there is a trick we're gonna see about it, which will be very helpful for you by doing fast calculation. Okay, let's take an easy example like 14 into 12. So most of you know the value of 14 into 12 is 168. Okay, so if you don't know, so by calculating the value by doing fast calculation, so I'm explaining the tricks. Like we have the number 14 and 12, we have to multiply this number, so take the difference. So we have the base value, take the base value as 10, okay, which is near to 14 and 12. So take the base value for the multiplication of the numbers between 11 and 19, between 11 and 19. Okay, so based on what is the difference of this number with the base 10 is 4, and here 12 minus 10 is 2. Okay, so you can by cross adding the value you get 14 into 2 16, and 12 into 12 plus 4 is 16. Use your 10th digit. Okay, then multiply this difference. 4 into 2 is 8. So 168 is your answer. Okay. Same as like 1 6 and 1 9. So can you solve the same method like 16 and 19? So here you have 6 and 9, the difference the base number. So by adding this any one of this number 16 plus 9 or 19 plus 6, you get 25. Then multiplying 6 into 9, that is 54. We know that this value are in the base 10. So number of zeros here is 1. So unit digit must be only 1. Okay, so this is the unit digit, that is 4, and you have to add with the 5 with the 10th digit. So you will get 0 and 30. So 304 is your answer. So we don't need to call. So I am doing this for you for explanation. Okay, so you can see the questions like 1 6 and 1 9. So you can simply add this 6 plus 9 is 25, and 6 into 9 54. That 25 plus 5 304. Like we can do this calculation by heartly. Okay, there is no need to do this kind of calculations. Okay, for explanation, so I'm doing these calculations for you. Okay, and same as for 17 and 18. Okay, so you know this 7 and 8. Okay, so this will be the value of 25. Then you have to multiply this number 7 into 8, that is 56. Okay, so same like the carryover will be here, that is 306 is your answer. Okay, for 15 into 17, same method, that is 5 and 7. So you will get 22 in the 10th digit, and here you got 35. So 25 and 255 is your answer. Okay, so this is how you can solve the numbers between 11 to 19. Okay, so it will be very easy for you to calculate without no time. So by seeing the number, so you can, by if you know by heartly, there is no issue. If you don't know, so you can use the tricks to multiply the number very faster. Okay, so I will be doing this kind of multiplication and fast tricks calculation in the in upcoming videos. So it will be updated in Vedic Maths playlist, so you can go and watch that videos. Okay. So if you like this video, share with your friends and help them to do faster calculation, and give a thumbs up and subscribe our channel Bank Exam Preparation, so you will get update related to exam preparation tips and tricks. Thank you.